Biogenic methane, which is the methane that these cattle are putting up in the atmosphere, is part of a natural biological cycle. The methane goes up, it has a half-life of roughly 10 years. That methane is broken down into CO2 and water. Well, that water is a functioning component of water vapor that is a cycle that creates rain, and the CO2 is taken up by plants for photosynthesis. Even though this methane is going up in the air, we're also building carbon below ground. It's offsetting the methane that's going up anyway. It's a natural biogenic cycle. However, when we talk about fossil fuels, bringing up deep carbon and methane from well below the topsoil down into the Earth's crust, that's a completely different entity. And that is carbon that's ancient, that's coming from deep below ground and being put in the atmosphere and is in imbalance from a natural biological cycle.